Hi everyone, this is Islam Ahmed, your Arabic guide, and welcome to a new Arabic lesson. And so far we are still learning Noor Albayan, the best book to learn to read Arabic. And I have taught this book to Arabs and non-Arabs of all ages, and I have always had the best result in the shortest time. So let's continue with Unit 1, Lesson 2, which is about Harakatul Fath or the vowel Fatha. Let's read. And don't forget to repeat after me. Ra, Ra, Ra. The first and the last form of Ra is how it's written at the beginning of a word, whereas the one in the middle is how it's written at the end of a word. Okay, Ra, 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 رغيف. ذا 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 زرافة. ذا 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 زرافة. The first and the last form is how it's written at the beginning of a word, and the one in the middle is how it's written in the middle of a word. ذا 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 زرافة. س س س سمكة. س س س سمكة. The first form is how it's written at the beginning of a word. The one in the middle is how it's written in the middle of a word. And the last one is how it's written at the end of a word. And this is the case with most of the following words. So if we have something different, I will mention it. Again, the first form, how it's written at the beginning of a word. The second form is how it's written in the middle of a word. And the last form is how it's written at the end of a word. If we come across something different, I will mention this. Let's carry on. س س س سمكة. ش ش ش شمعة. صا 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 صاروخ. ضا 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 ضابط. طا 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 طائرة. طا 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 طائرة. ظا 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 ظرف. ظا 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 ظرف. ع ع ع علم. ع ع ع علم. Okay, we have a short test here. We'll start reading these letters one by one. So try to pause and read them before I do, and then compare your reading with mine. You can always repeat the exam if you want. So let's start. Ra, za, sa, sha, صا ضا طا ظا ع دا ذا خا ح جا ثا تا با A. Okay, I'm sure you've got 10 out of 10. So let's read the letters again, one by one, without any interruption. را 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 رغيف. زا 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 زرافة. سا 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 سمكة. شا 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 شمعة. صا 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 صاروخ. ضا 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 ضابط. طا 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 طائرة. ظا va, va, ظرف. ع, 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 علم. And before we go, I have a very important notice. This letter, va, we have 3 letters in Arabic which we use our tongue when we pronounce them. Va, the, and the. Va, the, the. We use our tongue when we pronounce these letters. So simply, the articulation of all of these 3 letters is the same. You put your tongue underneath your upper teeth and pronounce the letter va, not za. Va. The, not se. The, the, not ze. The. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.